Hello, my name is David Owancia. I live in Youngstown, Ohio, and we were watching TV, and there's several commercials that came up about LeafFilter. There were others too, but I called the number for LeafFilter, and they called me back. When we got the call, my wife said, she mentioned the other company that often advertises, and I said, well, LeafFilter looked like the one we wanted to go with. So we had a salesman come, and I'm glad I called LeafFilter because the salesman was excellent. He wasn't pushy, he wasn't no pressure, but his presentation was really good. He just reasonably told us about the advantages of their system. He compared LeafFilter's system with other companies, and even had their product with him, so we could see the differences. The main reason we chose it was and went with the system was because I was climbing up to the spouting probably 4 times or more a year. And, I'm 60 now, and even though I could still do it, it was a concern, I guess. I'm glad I don't have to climb up anymore. It's working great so far, and I'm looking forward to the winter when hopefully we won't have the big icicles forming either. So I just highly recommend this system, and we're so happy so far.